Hey everyone, I'm Salman Saadatar and welcome to Trader School. Thank you so much for following and subscribing. Financial markets are very sensitive to news and events, and market behavior is often shaped around them. When you already study the weekly direction, all you need to do is take a quick look at the economic calendar and see which day an important news release is scheduled. Until that date, the market is usually busy collecting liquidity and creating the weekly high or low. Then real trading opportunities often start right after the news is released. So if you'd like to learn how to identify market direction, just leave a comment below and I'll guide you through it. And don't forget to follow and subscribe.